My camera. Man, I forgot to open this thing before I started. Oh my god. I'm trying to rush things out. But hey, you guys already know the drill, right? Don't forget it. Give me a nice thumbs up. Give me a subscription. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. And also don't forget to drop a nice comment, right? Encourage people. But anyways, what's up guys? Welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Kaspa. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we're gonna look at my I can see this thing coming from afar, but oh well. It is always funny when it happens, right? But hey, we're gonna look at market performance for the past 24 hours. Right after that, we'll check out prices in details, and once we're done with that, we will check on our positions, okay? Our scalping positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? Yeah. But before all that, guys, listen, I've been saying it for the past couple of days, ever since Bitcoin started making a little move, a little recovery rally. I've been saying it. Some of you paid attention, some of you didn't pay attention. I'm just saying, hey, at least, okay, do your research. Go ahead and try to look at things in different angles. Maybe you will find out that what I'm trying to tell you, I am being correct, okay? But as always, every time I tell people something, some people usually say I am delusional. Some people usually say I don't know what I'm talking about, and this and that. At the end of the day, we are going to find out who is delusional or who doesn't know what he's talking about. I try to explain to you guys. In a bull run, price does not shoot up in a straight line. It never happened. We go up, take a breather, form a triangle, form inverse head and shoulder, diamond patterns, my grandma's spiral patterns, Uncle T's cheesecake pattern, I don't know. It forms something before continuing to the upside, right? The same thing happens in a bear market. In a bear market, okay, price does the same. Hey, by the way, congratulations, my friend. You know who I'm talking about because you watch my videos. You took my August, July, and you shorted Bitcoin. Congratulations for that. You're a better man than me because I was afraid of trying to lose that money. But hey, you took the risk. Good for you. I like that. I like that. But anyways, going back to what we're talking about. When we're dropping, price does not go straight to Goblin Town. It doesn't go straight to Abia State. Nope. Price comes down, forms the same kind of structures, okay? We have triangles, we have my grandma's cheesecake formula, we have Uncle T's basement, all kind of patterns get formed on our way down, and then price continues going until we reach a definite bottom, okay? When we reach a definite bottom, price reverses, okay? So now, how do you know you've reached the bottom? There are many things that will tell you you've reached the bottom. Right now, everybody and their grandmama, what they're doing is they're looking at the fear and greed index. That is the only thing they're looking at. But you forget one thing. Like I've said, the bull run was going to be different, right? And it was. Now we are in the bear market, which again, I keep telling you, is going to be different. It's not going to be like anything you've ever seen, because right now we do have ETFs that are now part of the show. Everybody and their grandmama has their hands into that cookie jar. Things are not going to be the same. Okay, so you cannot tell me that the bear market is over with just by looking at the fear and greed index. Fear and greed index will go to zero and stay there for a month, 2 or 3 months. That is not going to tell you. You have to really look at like I don't know how you do things. Me personally, if 4 out of 5 indicators click in one direction, then yes, I'm convinced. Okay? If you are using 3 indicators, if 2 out of 3 click in that direction, then yeah, it is on. Okay? Personally, yeah, fear and greed indicator is one of them. Okay? Then you look at monetary policies, is another one. You look at macroeconomy, okay? And then you look at what's going on around you. 4 things that I look at. So far, the indication that the bear market is over with is still far from happening. But very, very soon we are going to see it. Because now, one, we have the Japanese situation getting under control. Not completely under control yet. When it does, trust me, our good friend Trumpicius Magicius is going to tweet about it. And you will know. That's one. 2, monetary positions. We are going to bring our good friend Kevinicius coming in, right? Kicking Powellcius out of the chair. Like, get the fuck out of here. we're gonna have that happening. Now, when Kevinicius comes in, we're going to see what he's going to do. What is his first decision as a Fed chair? What is he going to do? And now, number 3, we do have Trumpicius Magicius, juggling those stones. You know how you throw the stones up and down, and you are busy looking at the person talking down the street, and you're just calculating. Well, as soon as they turn around, right there, okay? Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, you start looking at those kind of things. So, but if it comes out tomorrow, okay, it comes out and tell you, yeah, we're gonna print money. 1. Number 2, comes out tomorrow, the Japanese situation gets solved, okay? Number 3, we comes out tomorrow and Trumpicius goes with this big stone and be like, you know what? On second thoughts, let me just set this stone down and let's have some talk. That's 3. Okay, those 3 things happening plus fear and greed index being down, bull run will start. Okay, the bear market will be over. Not that the bull run will start. The bear market will be over with. Okay, maybe we can sideways range until everything gets fixed out, because it's not going to be a one-day thing and then kumbaya starts. No, it's going to take a couple of months before the effects starts to happen. Okay, and also don't forget the Clarity Act. If it passes and it goes live, that will also be another indicator that the bear market is over with, or is getting close to be over with. Now, you start to look at those things. What is the situation? Trumpicius getting ready to throw the stones. He's not going to slow down anytime soon. He's not going to slow down anytime soon. Clarity Act. The banks are still fighting. They don't want this to happen. They don't want my grandma to come and add some sugar to the cheesecakes. Nothing. The banks are still pushing. That's 2. Number 3, Michael Cello, this company, it is all way down right now. It's getting stomped over with. Like, again, the MSI, they haven't come out with the final decision, right? Because if they come out tomorrow and be like, it's not happening, guess what Bitcoin is going to do? And where down we go, right? So you have to, actually, that's what I'm saying. You have to look around you. Not just fix yourself on just the charts or just one indicator. You have to look around. It is human nature. Human nature, when something happens, people try to blame something, to try to grab onto something. Maybe they do it because of the hope. Some people do it to feel good about themselves. Some people do it to just divert attention. Very good example, okay? We know Jane Street, they play dirty. Yep. They did what they did, but that shouldn't be bullish, because like I read the other news yesterday, oh, now that Jane Street is out, the sellers are over with. Really? Do you know that Jane Street controls not just Bitcoin, ETFs, okay, paper money, all that stuff they do have. They're not out. So whoever that is feeding you this narrative, they are just looking for, I don't know for what reason, but some people are going to fall for this, because honestly, Jane Street don't care. Okay, they're a company to make money. If people have to die in the process, they don't give a shit. It's just them. Okay, you just it's a situation when you look at something and you go like, okay, I see an opportunity here and I go to it. It is true that they manipulated the market and it caused the situation with the FTX, the situation with the Terra Luna Classic and stuff like that. But when the Terra Luna Classic happened, which again, full disclosure, I'm still holding it, it was a two-way street. You could take the chance, dive head first into it, or you could run away. I dove head first into it. I was just trading it on leverage when it happened. Made a lot of money out of it. And then the money I made from leverage, I bought the coins that I showed you guys the other day. Right now, through staking, I hold 82 million Terra Classics. Do I want to sell them? Nope. I'm just going to hold them to see what's going on, because now Jane Street is having a lawsuit, which I'm pretty sure Terraform's Labs, they do have proof that they fucked up the Terra Classic. Now, we never know. You can't really tell what the judge is going to say. But if the judge comes out, let's just imagine a hypothetical scenario. The judge comes out and said, okay, Terra Luna Classic was just, 100 billion coins or whatever. Every other coin that was created after what you fucked up, you have to burn it all up. Do you imagine what that could mean for Terra Luna Classic? It means that price is going to run. Maybe probably past $2 or $3. Do you understand that? So yeah, that is, or the judge will come out and say, you know what, fuck y'all. You took your risk, it's up to you. And Terra Luna just jumps down. So again, people see the bear market. People see how price is doing. Like, you can't even control it. You can't control anything. But all you have to do is just watch around you. If you try to rush, you lose. Like a lot of them. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, Bitcoin bounced. Oh yeah, we are back. We are now going to $90,000. You forget exactly what Bitcoin usually do. It will go up, grab all that liquidity, come down, grab every liquidity. I'm going back up. No, I'm going down, depending on the season. Is it the bear market or is it a bull run? In the bull run, it does that. It goes up, grab liquidity, comes down, grabs liquidity, and keep on shooting up. On the bear market, it does the opposite. It's going down, but it will go up, grab liquidity, come down, grab liquidity, retest, and down it continues. That's what it is. So everybody and their grandmama right now, oh yeah, it's the Jane Street. Now we're going back. Oh no, it's Michael Saylor. You know what? Oh, this is happening. Yet, nobody wants to give you a clear explanation. Those of us who tell you, hey, it's not what you think. Like yesterday I told you, do not base your investment, okay, on price. Don't do that. If you believe in Bitcoin, accumulate Bitcoin. Because trust me, in my personal opinion, I think the bottom is very close. And we're about to see between April or May, probably thereabout. That's what we will see the bottom for Bitcoin. Everybody and their grandmama is asking you, oh, November this year. I don't think so. Look at the monetary policy, look at macroeconomy, look at everything going around you. Everything is going to start getting fixed between April and May. And trust me, that's when I think Bitcoin will bottom. We can range bound from there, maybe. We can shoot up from there, maybe. That's what I think. That's, as a matter of fact, that's why me personally, I will have my long positions. I'm trying to have them April, May. Have them open on the coins that I'm going to be trading on in the upcoming bull run, which is going to be King Kaspa, Quant, Jasmine, Bitcoin. Those are the one I'm going to be trading. Okay, that's what I choose. So it's up to you. Don't sit there and try to blame anything. Don't blame it. Shit, I mean, like, shit happens. You cannot control it. I can control whatever that Jane Street is doing. I cannot control our good friend Trumpicius Magicius from tweeting shit. Because most of the time he pumps the market or crashes the market just by tweeting. I can't control that. But the only thing I can do is look at the situation and ask myself, what do I want to get out of this situation? That's all I have to do. And since everybody and their grandmama here already knows, my goal is that simple, going from 0 to a multi-millionaire status. I look at the market. I didn't get in shorting Bitcoin like I planned to, but hey, I'm scalping, right? I scalp, get some money, take it out, put it on my cash account. That's what I keep doing. Keep doing it, growing it until when I believe it's time for me to get in, use that money that I made, open my positions. That's what I'm doing. Because when you look at it, the target for last bull run for Bitcoin was supposed to be $150,000, like I told you guys here many times. I think this time, when it starts to run, it's going to get there or even above it. Therefore, I don't have time to cry. I'm trying to catch that entry point and then play it upwards. Play it upwards because, hey, those of them crying with price right now are the people that are going to miss. Those of them looking at the price, oh, it's moving, let's go, oh, it's going down, oh, no. Look at the developments around the price. It would tell you when Bitcoin will start to pump. It would tell you if this was a real legit pump or was it a fake out. Just like I told you guys when it was started, I told you guys it's a fake out. Don't fall for it, right? Now what do you see? I'm about to show you the chart right quick so that you can see. It's a fake out, but yet a lot of people are going to fall for it. Okay. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Okay. Let's see right quick. Our good friend Crypto Bubbles, which is right here. Here we go. See, that's what I told you. It was a fake out. There is nothing more, nothing less. Fake out. That's what you're having. Even on the day, look at the daily. It's a fake out. But oh well, it's up to you, right? Anyways, now let's start first with King Kaspa. KAS for the past hour laying flat. On the day, we are 1% down. On the week, 3.6% up. On the month, 21.1% down. 66.1% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $837.68 million. The volume for 24 hours is sitting at $28.01 million. Okay, now you will see some people, because like it's funny with some guys. The inboxes I got yesterday, oh yeah, you say the Igra Lab is live. Why is price not pumping? Really? Did you not read it? Igra Lab is live, yeah, but it's a closed mainnet. It's not open public mainnet yet. It's not that, but it's live. Does not guarantee if Kaspa is going to start to run. And like I told you here many times, one day after another day, start looking for April, May, and then for you to start getting your positions in if you want to long Kaspa. But until then, not yet. So I'm gonna just leave that at that. You can keep on chasing green candles if you want. Now we look at QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. For the past hour, 0.1% up, 5.1% down on the day, 4.9% down on the week, 19.2% down on the month, and on the yearly we are still 37% down, sitting at the market cap of $914.11 million, and the 24 hours volume traded at $14.86 million. We go look at Cubic. Okay, high risk, high reward, just like Luna Classic. High risk, high reward. Okay, we see here 1.4% down the last hour, 2.7% down on the day, 1.9% down on the week, 22.7% down on the month, and 66.2% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $62.91 million, and the 24 hours volume traded at $1.58 million. Now we go look at Jasmy, the Japanese Bitcoin. What do we have? 0.2% up in the last hour, 3.5% down on the day, 4.5% down on up on the week, 15% down on the month, and 68.8% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $287.08 million, and the 24 hours volume traded at $23.72 million. Right, that's what we got. Now we go look at Jonathan's pet turtle, which he calls Bitcoin, and I call the orange guy. Okay, we do have here Bitcoin. What do you see? for the past hour, 0.2% up, 2.3% down on the day, 0.4% up on the week, 24.2% down on the month, and 24.3% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $1.34 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $54.03 billion. See, every gain that you got yesterday is almost getting lost, so it wasn't worth it unless you are scalping the markets, right? Anyways, now let's go look at prices in details. Maybe then you will start understanding what I'm talking about. Okay, this is Bitcoin. I'm going to start with Bitcoin. You know what? No, let's start how we usually do this. Go here, Dixie going up, Bitcoin going down. Yeah, the correlation is good, but yeah, Bitcoin is now going down, right? Just like I told you guys yesterday, or when this little pump started, I said don't fall for it, right? Anyways, now we go back to the charts with Bitcoin. This is what I was telling you. Everybody and their grandmama, oh yeah, look at that, we're back in. It's up. It's Jesus Christ. It is a bearish pattern. Bearish pattern. Look at that. Even here, we have sell signal 1, another sell signal 2. It's a bearish pattern. Even when that signal was happening, price was going up, and I was telling you guys it's a fake out, right? Now if you want, let me try to zoom it out a little bit. Let me go on the 4 hourly. Okay, look, it's a bear flag. That's what it is. It is nothing else. As you guys can see, price inside the flag, it went down, breaking down, it came out here as a fake out, and now let's see, bam, it's gonna go. It's a bear flag. No matter what anybody tells you, if you want to fall for it, yeah, don't blame nobody when you lose your money, because again, it's that simple. Look at this. Even with the price pumping, ribbon still red, and we still have the moving average going downwards. It's that simple. I don't understand what everybody else is looking at, right? No matter. Look at the MACD and the RSI. Look at that. See, now it has turned red. It is still bearish, no matter how you look at it. Okay, if you want to go on the daily, you will see the same thing, right? You will see the same thing. You do have the ribbon still falling, moving average still falling. Okay, MACD and RSI still like there is basically no volume. I don't understand why you are getting bullish for, but oh well, it's up to you, right? You do whatever you want. It's your money. Now let's go right quick. Let's look at King Kaspa right quick, so that you can also see what I'm saying. KAS. I'm gonna use this one, and you see, Kaspa is on the same level. I told you guys. Okay, you see, we have a sell signal. This is the hourly. See, sell signal, and what's happening to price? Down. Okay, look at the ribbon. It is a bear. All these are fake outs. You can see this. Look at the ribbon. It has started again. Before you know, it's going to do this, turn red and keep on going. Look at the MACD. The same thing, right? So everybody and their grandmama looking at this like, yeah, it is time. No, it is not time. Look at this. Even after the bounce happened, okay, we, like I always said, price always get attracted to moving average, right? It got there, got rejected. It's going down. Look at the moving, the MACD. It'll start turning white. Before you know it, it would switch into red and down. Okay, that's what it is. So far, do not fall for it unless you are scalping the market. That's what I try to tell you guys. If you look at it on the daily, what do you see? Exactly the same thing. So yeah, now is the time you're supposed to scalp, because hey, anything under 15, under $10 is nothing but noise. No more, no less noise. Okay, we are still into this. It's a bullish pattern, falling wedge. That's what we're still into until we break out of it. Nope, no time yet. But it's up to you, right? If you want to do anything after 10 cents, we do have 15 cents. We break, know it, we are going to be a all-time high, and then price discovery. It's that easy. But yeah, nobody want to wait. People want to blame somebody. People want to find any kind of excuses just to feel good about themselves. Where we are right now, that's where we are. Look for those price entries. That's what you're supposed to be doing. But anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's go look at Quant, because that is the only coin again I like looking at when it comes to this bear market. Look at this. QNT, the banker's coin, and the coin a lot of people love to hate. The same thing, right? I told them, like I was saying, it's not time yet. What do you see? Bam. There you go. It's not time yet. Quant is back into this structure. Okay, let me go to the 4 hourly so that you can see it better. We are back into this structure, and even when you look at it, look at the ribbon. Ribbon is red, it is going down. That's what's happening. Moving average facing downwards. Okay, look at the MACD. Going from green, the first red candle has appeared. So yeah, you see, you try to tell people this, and everybody, a grandmama trying to be like, no, Bitcoin is running. Bitcoin is not. It's just a little, it's a little relief valley, a relief rally. Sorry. That's what it is. Okay, so it is so insane, even on the daily. Look at it on the daily. Nobody wants to pay attention. People want to chase them green candles, and when they get wrecked, they start blaming everybody. That's the thing. You look at it, that's what I keep saying. Quant, anything under $125 is nothing but noise. Time for you to accumulate, pack your bags, do whatever you got to do. Okay? And then before you know it, you will reach that 151, then 164, and before you know it, 176. Before you even blink, you'll be looking at $230 and then all-time high, and then we will be in price discovery. Chill, relax, watch the macro economy. That's all you gotta do right now. Watch the macro economy. There is no two ways about it. If you don't watch and everything else going on around you, you are going to make mistakes and you are going to lose a lot of money. And you're going to be here blaming everybody and their grandmama for your own green candle chasing mentality. Okay, so it's up to you. Do your own research. Don't just take my word for it, right? Do your research. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions, okay, my scalping position. But before we do that, like I always say, please do not get into leverage trading if you don't know what you're doing, okay? Don't do that, because that is the easiest way you can use to lose money. But if you want to learn, because the way I learned was trying and error. I use money I'm not going to be crying about to lose. That's what I used. You can do the same, but it's way better now, because down below I do have the links. Bydfi, Phemex, Wix, Margex, okay? Follow those links, sign up, meet their deposit requirements. They are going to give you free money. Once you get the free money, you take your original money out, okay? Now you get $20 from the free money and start to practice. If you can turn $20 into 40, 40 into 80, 80 into 100, blah, 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 and so on and so forth, then you're ready. If you cannot do that, my friend, keep on practicing. Because if you don't, you are going to be the most respected member in Rec City. And trust me, Rec City always has space for one more. I just hope that you, my friend, you are not that one more that is they're waiting for. Okay, anyways, now let's go right quick. I'm using Kaspa to scalp the market, so I'm only doing that on Phemex and on Wix exchange. Yesterday, as you guys know, I was on Phemex. I was like, what, $700. I took some money out, send it to my stash account where I'm preparing for the bull run. Right now you can see 544. That's where we are. So we are growing it back up again, and you can look at it. You will see that here, the position I opened when I was telling you guys this, I opened one yesterday, I think, or sometime early in the morning. This one is up $253. Okay, let's wait. Once I get a buy signal, as you guys can see here, look, this is how I trade. See that here? I have signals. I have a buy signal. I have sell signals. Okay, I have these sell signals right here. I open up the position that you guys just see, and so price is going down. Once I get another buy signal and the MACD and RSI are showing a little bullish, I will close that, take profits, open a long, and scalp. That's how I do. Scalp the market up and down. That's how I do this. So yeah, it is nothing new, nothing out of the ordinary. So yeah, just watch the market and scalp it. Now the next one is going to be on Wix, like I told you guys, okay? Wix also, I took profits, and right now it is sitting at $826, and I open another position, okay? Like I do, I open them in how you call it, both in twos, okay? Now before I go into this one, I wanted to show you Pippin. That's why I do have Pippin here. Pippin, like I said, is a very, very good one for you to scalp with. Look at Pippin. See how they're manipulating that price? Up and down, up and down. This thing, well, the ultimate crash is coming for it. Just like River, like I told you. This thing right here is a recipe for failure. But anyways, to the scalping position, I'm using Kaspa for it. And this one, wow, it is back up again. I opened this position this morning too. So it's still $352 in profit. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We will close it, take profits, send them to my stash account, and open another one. That's how we keep going. We keep doing this. Now we go look at my son's Acorn, which if you want to join it, the link is also below there. You can follow it, sign up. They give you $5, and you begin your investment journey on stocks and ETFs, just like I'm showing my son how to do this. So Acorn, when you open it, we are going to see that here. This boy is up $956. Not bad. He's doing good. Now we look at his portfolio. It's up 5.09% from the stocks and ETF. VOO, which is S&P 500, $446. We have IJH, which is medium companies, $53. IJR, small companies, $26. IXUS, which is international companies, sitting at $249, which is not bad. On the bonds and ETFs, we do have the US ISTB short-term bonds sitting at $54, and we do have aggregate US bonds sitting at $126. So yeah, he's doing good, and that's like I always said, if a 9-year-old boy can do this, grown-ass man like you or woman, you can also do it. Okay, it depends on what you want to do with your life or what plans you have with your children. Hey, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm only showing you what I'm doing. And this is a way I'm trying to expose my son, okay, to investments. That way, when he's 20 years old, his bank account will look way better than mine when I was 20. That's the plan, okay? Anyways, guys, don't fall for it. It's not time yet. Don't blame anybody. Watch the market, and you'll be able to detect those signals when the time comes, okay? Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers, okay? Don't forget to click that like button. It only takes you a second, okay? Don't forget to comment. Drop me a nice comment. If you don't have anything nice to say, please drop an emoji or keep on walking. It's that simple. And also don't forget to share so that all the millionaire-minded attitude like you and yours truly, we all can see these videos and the family can grow. Until I see you in my next one, my friend, please take very good care of yourselves, okay? Bye-bye.